Yeah. I won't be lying in the valley of the greens, and I will tread in the hills and the valleys and the streams. Everything is conscious and righteous. Whoa, everything is clean. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, boom. Well, and that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. So we're not gonna stray, and we're not gonna play. And that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. Life we promote it every night and day. Well, and that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. And that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. And that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. Burning, y'all. After when them feel like, when I find them real life, wow. Them never must to see life. Then why you take a real life, wow. Now after when them feel like, when I find them the real life, wow. They never must to see life. Then why you take a real life? They all in a killing spree. They want to kill all the people, them in the world they kill for free. All in a killing spree, yeah. Well, I like me promote and I will never disagree. All in a killing spree. They want to kill all the people, them in the world they kill for free. All in a killing spree, yeah. Well, I like me promote and I will never disagree. Yo, that is the ultimate, so I will never intervene. I know I won't be lying in the valley of the greens, but in the hills and the valley, the springs and the stream. Well, righteousness, more open. Well, Babylon, Missy said them no straight, Missy said them lean. Well, Emperor Selassie is the high supreme beam. Well, righteousness, they get the youth, yeah. Burn them. They all on a killing spree. Them want to kill out the people, them in all the world they kill for free. All on a killing spree, yeah. Well, I like to promote and I will never disagree. They all on a killing spree. Want to kill out the people, them in all the world they kill for free. All on a killing spree, yeah. I can't do they want to tell them something. I'll tell when them feel like, but love I them not real like, whoa. And why you take a real life? You never must to see life. But to when them feel like, but love I them not real like, whoa. They never must to see life. Then why you take a real life? Bill Boys and Gas and Chucks.
Living in a world with so much pain, but I know, Lord, you will see me through. From day to day, my life is so hard. Nowhere to go but open pray. Father, have me today. Make my life okay. Strengthen my feet to walk your way. Give me faith. I always pray. In my life, there's always ups and downs. Father, you know I'm always wearing a frown. Give me strength to face another day. And one sweet day, I'll overcome. Father, have me today. Yeah. Make my life okay. Strengthen my feet to walk your way. Give me faith, I always pray. Father, I know stressed I must be. Why me, Lord? Why can't eat to share? I won't give up, you'll see me there. You'll take my hand, I have no fear. Father, help me today, yeah. Make my life okay. Strengthen my feet to walk your way. and give me faith. I'll always pray. Whoa, whoa, way, yeah. Give me strength, give me strength.
From day to day, I face this struggle. Still, I got to stay alive. Temptation cometh on a double. Still, I know I must survive. People ask me how I make it, but with strong faith we all can do it. With God in my heart, I am willing to play my part. He is forever my resort. Oh God, Jah will always see me through. Turns my gray skies into blue. Well, Jah will always make things work out right. Yes, everything will be alright with Jah here inside. By the sweat of my brow, I eat my bread. Yes, I work hard and push on ahead. I live a life of honesty, knowing one day I'll see victory. Oh yeah, Jah will always see me through. Yes, turn my gray skies into blue. Jah will always make things work out right, and everything will be alright with Jah here inside. I will rise early in the morning and give thanks for all my blessings, yes, knowing that Jah is good to me. True love and mercy I receive. Oh, true love, yes. True love and mercy. Oh, Jah will always see me through. Do that, do that, Lord, the word is much mightier than the sword, and the tongue much more than the gun. So listen to the messenger I touch down, Lord. Use Jah words and armor them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Mighty full power complete jammer them. Well, some think that the world is all there is. Oh, but what about the power that exists within? Mightier is He that is within you and me than all the things you can see. Listen to Jah messenger, it's giving you these words of prophecy. Well, use Jah words and armor them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Use up Jah lyrics and grammar them. Words sound and power complete hammer them. Down, down. Hey, use Jah words and hammer them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Down, down. Them and them one I God. Them and them one I God. Them busting up the place and swear to God said them bad. But I'm mad, no man no better than Master God. Cause He will lick you with the lightning rod. Hey, Lord, works and hammer them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Word, sound and power come fi jammer them. Down. Use your words and hammer them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Down. Budada dang. Budada day. Sticky do da do da dang. The word is much mightier than the sword, and the tongue much more than the gun. So link them with word power and sound. Well, use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Word sound and power. No. Oh Father, hey. Thank you for every good thing that you've done for me. Oh, I pray every night to the King down on my knees. Oh, please guide and protect me while I'm in the street. Man, I forget, even though I be your corner be. Oh, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should love Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, believe in Jah, and put your trust in Jah. Hey, oh, I see Jah glory in the morning. Give thanks for the life in me. I know He have my blessing and so much more for me. He's my everything. He done so much for me. He's my everything. My everything is almighty. Oh, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should love Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, believe in Jah, and put your trust in Jah. Hey, oh, Father, what in Zion, looking down on your children, doing so much wrong, yet still you forgive them. But what if Jah was like man? Wrong, He will understand and find a way out to solve the problem. Give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should love Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, believe in Jah, and put your trust in Jah. Hey, oh Father, hey, thank you for every good thing that you've done for me. Oh, I pray every night to the King down on my knees. Oh, please guide and protect me while I'm in the street. Man, I forget, even though I be your corner be. Oh, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should love Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, believe in Jah, and put your trust in Jah. Hey, oh, I see Jah glory in the morning. Give thanks for the life. Where I come from, everyone wants to know. Where I come from, it's like a real action show. Sometimes you can't even go out a door, because I be a loose can out a door a blow. Where I come from, sometimes you have to hide, because it's really hard for you to survive. Where I come from, it's not a bed of rose. Sometimes you have to borrow and fling your pride out a road. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't let nobody come and tell you that, no. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't let nobody come and put you back road. This is me from
from dream to reality. This is me striving for real tranquility. This is me seeking for real peace into the west and also in the east. Here I am standing proud as a man. Here I am so you all can understand. This is me on your TV. Turn on your radio when you sure will hear me. So don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't make them tell you that we take no back road. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. You can live like a house and foolish street show stone. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't let nobody come and send you back road. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. You in a glass house can foolish street show stone. Why my tears from my eyes? As a man sometime I cry. Everybody trying to figure out why poverty and hungry in is a real time. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't make them tell you things that you never know. Don't make nobody come and tell you this, tell you tricks. Come make them fool your head with things you never know. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't let nobody come and tell you that, no. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Yeah. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, and trick you up with things that you never know. Come make nobody come and tell you this, and come and tell you say we take the back road. Come make nobody come and tell you this, and come and trick you things that you never know.
You know why? Just show me love without no hesitation. Only Jah alone can be my favorite. Him show me love without no hesitation. Have to wave your flag high and wave it. Just show me love without no hesitation. Only Jah alone can be my favorite. Him show me love without no hesitation. Have to wave your flag high and wave it. From a born man, a soldier in the army, and I will never let the pagans come and harm me. Whenever me travel through Babylon, me move calmly, and me ready for travel the beast which I just call me. Vampires and pagans, them fire and flames, how we get them. There is no time for ease up on the wicked. Shall love me more than friends, so me burn the fire again. So me stay uplifted. Just show me love without no hesitation. Only Jah alone can be my favorite. Him show me love without no hesitation. Have to wave your flag high and wave it. Just show me love without no hesitation. Only Jah alone can be my favorite. Him show me love without no hesitation. Have to wave your flag high and wave it. While others fight against me, Jah love me plenty, so I can care less about what a pagan wanna say. Cause Jah will defend me, so my heart is not empty. Jah fills my cup with his blessings every day. So I will do anything for Jah. Me no business whether my witnesses on the roads and culture. Jah bless stainless from all the fire. This show on your heart like fire. Jah show me love without no hesitation. Only Jah alone can be my favorite. Him show me love without no hesitation. Have to wave your flag high and wave it. Just show me love without no hesitation. Only Jah alone can be my favorite. Him show me love without no hesitation. Have to wave your flag high and wave it. From a born man, a soldier in the army, and I will never let the pagans come and harm me. Whenever me travel through Babylon, me move calmly, and me ready for travel the beast when Jah call me. Vampires and pagans, them fire and flames, how we get them. There is no time for ease up on the wicked. Jah love me more than friends, so me burn the fire again. So me stay uplifted. Jah show me love without no hesitation. Only Jah alone can be my favorite. Him show me love without no hesitation. Have to wave your flag high and wave it. Jah show me love without no hesitation. Only Jah alone can be my favorite. Him show me love without no hesitation. Have to wave your flag high and wave it.
I urge it for love. Them won't stop the fire, yeah, them wish them cold. Some of us are young. Fire, fire. Them not gonna cool me down. And them know I say, now retire. Even when me know I said the pagan, them a conspire. fighter. From the lineage of the real, that's why I'm on the faker. Yeah, I'm a guide and me navigator. Me say enough now go make it cut them for sager. That's why me a go burn them up like a paper. Until the pagan figure and stay for later. Me still up on the pirates and the traitor. Turn it up like the equator. So me go say yo, fire, fire. Them now go cool me down. When them know I say now retire. Cause even when me know that the pagan, them a conspire. Them sell out the ghetto youth. Shoot them as some thief and liar. Well at this we make them know. Alright again, Babylon is burning down. Anyway them turning down. Tell the youth themself be firm in town. Education is the ultimate, so learn in town. Hey, Babylon is burning down. Righteousness me concern in town. Independent ghetto youths are earning down. Tell the pagan that the table a go turn. Some me go say yo, fire, fire. Them now go cool me down. Make them know I say now retire. And even when me know that the pagan, them a conspire. Them sell out the ghetto youth. Shoot them as some thief and liar. Well at this me make them know. Hey, well ghetto youth no lose your faith and ghetto youth just swallow your will. We don't come here so fi broke down, cause we come here so fi bill. Them a find time fi cool, but we don't find time fi chill. Until the pagan fi be still. Hey, Babylon no job fi don't know, that's why them turn nil. Me tell them every ghetto youth will fi have a skill. Food of fi plant, soil of fi till. I'll King Selassie, I hear me. That one your name. Fire, fire. Them now go cool me down. When them know I say now retire. Even when me know I say the pagan, them a conspire. Them sell out the ghetto youth. To them are some thief and liar. Well at this we make them know.
Burning Babylon. So the one again can't to carry on. See my favorite song. Burning Babylon. The one again. So the one again can't to carry on. See my favorite song. Burning Babylon. The one again. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. When you involve them, make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. When you involve them. Alright, the one that we if it's serve and protect, you know you must care. Them never know how we got the first chair. Look what they did to school fee and bus fare. Clean up the place, me say we don't want no dust here. Stop from pollute the atmosphere. The people them a quarry and a cuss here. Systematically the system they don't just care. There is no justice, they do what just here. The one that they who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. When you involve them, make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. Make sure you resolve them. When you involve, say that system you need to get rid of. I squeeze the people them tighter than a tweezer. It make enough get a youth want to leave ya. Right now them say them want to get a visa. We go try make life in the freezer. You know see them want to make life easier. Mama want food, Papa want food. Them on the system yeah, because them are deceiver. The one you know. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. When you involve them, make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. When you involve them, alright, so I go so yo. So that system yeah, it too corroding. Foreclosure and the people them housing. See them now the credit card them closing. And the account them frozen. Can't take that judgment under them nosing. Can't find money for food and clothing. And the whole of them come and composing. Too much immorality them exposing. Who's got when you involve them. Make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. Make sure you resolve them when you involve. Got to carry on. Sing my favorite song. Burning Babylon. Whoa. Got to carry on. Sing my favorite song. Burning Babylon. Oh. Can't go. Keep it burning right. This is a strife. Voice of water. Don't you get nervous so anxious, my youth. Hey. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, guided by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, protected by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, guided by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, protected by the Most High. As I rise in the morning, I bless my friends and surroundings. I bless the trees and the mountains. I give thanks the birds them calling. Rise and shine for my family. Health and joy for my family. The righteous path you keep showing me. So me not go waste time for no friend of me. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, guided by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, protected by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, guided by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, protected by the Most High. Born to rise, determined to go high. I can't fail, I'm led by the Most High. Life ain't easy, but worth a try. I'll never stop believing I and I. Nothing is worth it easy. I fight, I'm getting busy. I believe in the Most High glory. He give I life energy to stop negativity. That's why negativity crunches my enemy. I give thanks daily. Looking for some brighter day. Tell them bad men I never pay. Looking for some brand new day. Tell the bad man get out of the way. This is how the loving go. So we got to make it grow. Inside a major loving flow. That's why we got to let them know. Looking for some brighter day. Tell them bad men I never pay. Looking for some brand new day. Tell the bad man get out of the way. This is how the loving go. So we got to make it grow. Inside a major loving flow. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, guided by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, protected by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, guided by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, protected by the Most High. As I rise in the morning, I bless my friends and surroundings. I bless the trees and the mountains. I give thanks the birds them calling. Rise and shine for my family. Health and joy for my family. The righteous path you keep showing me. So me not go waste time for no friend of me. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, guided by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, protected by the Most High. I'm loved by the Most High, blessed by the Most High, guided by the Most High.
Rise just the right in all this struggle. We don't give up, give up, give up, give up, give up. Reach mountain top, rocky road on the vision. Rise, Rasta, right now, not the struggle, we not give up. Live up, live up, live up. You want baby to the mountain top, then I'm angry, what do no bitch out there? Fear of the Lord is a fountain of life to depart from the snares of evil. The tongue of the wise uses knowledge to right before honor is humility. The fear of the Lord is a fountain of life to depart from the snares of evil. The tongue of the wise uses knowledge to right before honor is humility.
So
the fear of the land at the beginning of wisdom, and the dust can come to the Father without to the Son. Power on the Trinity is John kingdom. When the Lord him is my light, on my salvation. Judgment away to the young on the right direction. God is the every fulfill him and the conquering lion. Every tongue of it go tell on every knee of it bow down. Rasta beat the cat, they jump and I make the Eden all around. Warriors kill the beast with word powers and sound. And I make way to the east where the true king is crowned. But the wicked I could have never bow down. But the wicked I would have never bow down. Live up, live up, live up. Rise, Rasta, rising on the struggle, we not give up. Live up, live up, live up.
Oh Lord, 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 protect my people. Oh my Lord. Oh what a glory. Oh what a glory it will be. Oh what a glory.
Oh what a glory.
When my Father I shall sing. Oh what a glory it will be. When each man and earth be free. When we shall burn partiality, and we shall live in unity, and the love of the Lord shall be next to my soul. Oh yes, the night shall turn to day, and all the heathen shall run away. And all those workers of iniquity, I don't know where they shall stay, because the fire burning hotter every day. Hotter fire, hotter fire. The night shall turn to day, and the heathen shall run away. All those workers of iniquity, I don't know where they shall stay, because the fire burning hotter every day.
Hotter fire, hotter fire.
Oh what a glory. Oh what a glory it will be. Oh what a glory it will be. When each man and earth be free, and we shall burn partiality, and we shall live in unity, and the love of the Lord shall be next to my soul. Oh yes, oh what a glory. Oh what a glorious day it will be. Oh what a glory it will be. When we shall burn partiality, no more separation for society. Oh what a glory. Oh what a glory. Oh what a glory it will be. Oh what a glory it will be. When we shall live in unity, peace, love and harmony, no separation for society, and the love of my Lord shall be next to my soul. Oh yes, oh what a glory. Oh what a glory it will be. Oh what a glorious day it will be. Oh what a glorious day it will be. Oh what a glory it will be. The night shall turn to day, yes, and all the wicked shall run away.
Down, King Selassie never let us down. Yes, you wear the triple crown, yo. When dangers of your life, be right. Jah protect us from enemy, and He make we no friendly. Yeah. Protect us from
some enemy. Even when them up anyway. Wow, Jah protect us some enemy. And you make we no friendly. Protect us some enemy. Even when them up anyway. Wow, so no one and then. Oftentimes I see they try to put them foot in on me shoes, the lace no tie. Whoa, wicked heart no get no blind. Me put them in the fire, make the whole of them go fry. So me say again, oftentimes they try to prove, yo, and try to put their foot in on my shoes, yeah. They mentally confused. Try this the king and now the whole of them. Jah protect us from enemy, and he make we no friendly, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up anyway. Why? Jah protect us from enemy, and he make we no friendly, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up anyway. Alright, I want that name just. All my life I've been excellent. Jah protect us from this pestilence, yeah. Burning out them silly sense. Tell the youth them say intelligence, yo again. Jah protect us from the wolf and from the fox. Jah fly them snares and Jah fly them trap. And tell the ghetto youth them never stop. Burn the fire and that, yeah. Jah protect us from enemy, and he make we no friendly, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up anyway. Wow, Jah protect us from enemy, and he make we know a friend in me, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up anyway. Yo, bigger judgments, enough of them heart not clean. That's why me burning them evil scheme, yeah. We get the vision, them a dream. Size 10 coulda never fit the size 13 again. Off it straight you can't lean, wow. Rastafari burn them, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep the fire burning, blazing. Tell you them stop gazing, yeah. Jah protect us from enemy, and he make we no friendly, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up enemy. Wow, Jah protect us from enemy, and he make we no. Hey, Lord, God life. Get up now, strength to the God of creation. Get up, say anyway, Jah army go. I get man will follow, and anyway, Jah army go. Rasta man will follow, 'cause anyway, Jah army go. Kabbalah man will follow. Anyway, Jah me go. I'm gonna will follow to the ends of the earth, to the depths of the sea, to the highest mountain to perform Jah work. I'm ever ready. From the words were spoken, from the days of anciency, it was ordained to be. I fulfill my destiny. What is to be must be. Say anyway, Jah me go. I get man will follow, and anyway, Jah me go. Rasta man will follow. Yes, anyway, Jah me go. Kabbalah man will follow. Anyway, Jah me go. I'm gonna will follow. We fight against the Amorites and destroy the Philistines. 10,000 to my left and 1 million by my right, fighting with all of might. Oh, Jah is battalion strong, fighting all
centuries upon centuries ago, from the days of antiquity, the vanguards of the faith have journeyed through time and space into the periphery of existence. We have come to destroy the forces of evil and obliterate the workers of iniquity and witchcraft. With righteousness, we eradicate and annihilate the evildoers of the earth.
To the ends of the earth and the depths of the sea, to the highest mountain, perform your works, I'm ever ready. Once the words were spoken.
Anywhere your army go.
Anywhere we went, never get. From the days of anciency, it was ordained to be. I fulfill my destiny. What is to be must be. Say anywhere your army go, I can man will follow. And anywhere your army go, Rasta man will follow. Yes, anywhere your army go, Kabbalah man will follow. Anywhere your army global warfare going on. The people are living in terror and fear and starvation.
Whenever them searching for it is so clear. A little peace and love. How long it a go take Babylon to make it fair and square without violation?
When will it end? Tell me, my friend. When will it end? When will all this crime and violence end?
Hey, look like more of a good day. A little more blood of a good shed. Yeah. This game be here must be the place they call hell. And in this the people them know and dwell.
Now there is a global warfare going on. The people are living in terror and fear all over the land.
Whenever them searching for it is so clear. A little peace and love. How long it a go take Babylon to make it fair and square without violation?
When will it cease? I mean the conflict in the Middle East. Tell me how we will find a true world peace.
So people may we work together. And even though we stick it some no evil like the weather, just let Jah guide you do the things you do. And in the end your reward will be true.
There is a global warfare going on. People are living in terror and fear and starvation.
Whenever them searching for it is so clear. A little peace and love. How long it all go take Babylon to make it fair and square without violation?
No Jah, no more war. What we need to see is world peace.
World peace.
It is because of your greed why these wars proceed. But if you only stop and think, you'll see you're all deceived.
There is no more time for the fussing or fighting. My people come together, shine united. Coming no one to see no more mothers crying. While Babylon sit down over this laughing.
Now there is a global warfare going on. The people are living in terror and fear and starvation.
Minority searching for it is so clear. A little peace and love. How long it a go take Babylon to make it fair? More questions than answers. Crises, yeah. It's spreading like a cancer. It's a world crisis, yeah. More questions than answers. Crises, yeah. Spreading like a cancer. AIDS has become commonplace, destroying our human race. Murders escalating while the leaders keep debating. Materialism creeping in, our dignity. Why should we be waiting when Zion gate is open? It's a world crisis, more questions than answers. Crisis, yeah, spreading like a cancer. It's a world crisis, yeah, more questions than answers. Crisis, yeah, spreading like a cancer. It's a crying shame to see the people going down the drain. Who is to be blamed when everything is getting topsy-turvy? Yeah, ain't no telling what tomorrow's gonna be. Yeah, oh, well. Crisis, whoa, more questions than answers. Crisis, yeah, spreading like a cancer. It's a world crisis, yeah, more questions than answers. Crisis, yeah, spreading like a cancer. Yeah. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, well, yeah, yeah. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? What we gonna do?
The wind of my boat and the meditation of my heart, acceptably thy sight, those are my strength and my redeemer. Just live upright and seek Jah, and you will be okay. Okay. Seek Jah first, and if you're lost, He will guide you on the way, righteous way. Hear you whenever you cry, and He see you whenever you lie. 'Cause He alone knows your problem, He alone can solve it. So if you know what I know, you better start praying to Him. Just live upright and seek Jah, and you will be okay. Okay. Seek Jah first, and if you're lost, He will guide you on the way, righteous way. Hey, King asleep, the King a see clean. Every liar, every thief, they criticize we. Attack about Gyptian, go find Rasta. Rasta never last. I was born a real Rasta to come and fertile the African queens. Positivity we teach in the street. I saw me see it, the Rasta feel live clean, so the others can learn from me. Hey, hold me unto those with their problems, and all of those that blaspheme, you're going to see them. So tell me what you gonna say, what you gonna do for all the wrong things that you go out and do. Never know that Jah is watching you. Babe. Just live upright and seek Jah, and you will be okay. Okay. Seek Jah first, and if you're lost, He will guide you on the way, righteous way. Looking at the shooting star up in the sky so far, and the moon it shines in the night, it make me you and seems like it's daylight. Only a supernatural, extraordinary person could do what you do. So I know it got to be you. Shine on me heart, shine on me talk, shine on me house, and shine on me car, shine on me song, and shine on me girl, and shine the one that run my world, and this shine is my everything. Shine's the one that give me my blessing. So Jah, I know you are the true living King. Just live upright and seek Jah, and you will be okay. Seek Jah first, and if you're lost, He will guide you on the way, righteous way. Just live upright and seek Jah, and you will be okay. Seek Jah first, and if you're lost, He will guide you on the way. Righteous way. Na 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 boy boy boy. Na 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 yeah yeah yeah. No 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 no. What a policy, me turn on the TV, yeah. The first thing is crime with me. What a controversy, catching a breed fever, and now we say that's an film, baby. What a piece of shame, the economy gone on the drain. Them say the poor one is to be blamed. What a piece of sign, the youths they must lose their mind. Police murder 7 one time, but is them where I can find true love for life? Is there time where I can find true love that is divine? Is there where I can find true love for life? Is there a place? Is there a time? I've been looking all of my life. So get to just live up and don't give up. I know we can make it in life. Just be focused and be obnoxious. That's not the righteous road of life. Get to just live up and don't give up. I know we can make it in life. Just be focused, don't be obnoxious. That's not the righteous word of life. But it's the place where I can find true love for life. Is there time where I can find true love that is divine? Is there place where I can find true love for life? Is there a place? Is there a time? I've been looking all of my life. I see my people fighting. My people do the right thing. The Almighty is watching. Why you come it will be passing? See my people fighting. My people do the right thing. My jolly you with lightning. Why nobody's gonna come into nothing? But is there place where I can find true love for life? Is there time where I can find true love that is divine? Is there place where I can find true love for life? Is there a place? Is there a time? I've been looking all of my life. What a policy, turn on the TV, yeah. The first thing is crime with me. What a controversy, catching a breed for bar, and Mary said that's enough fame, baby. What a piece of shame, the economy gone down the drain. Them say the poor one is to be blamed. What a piece of sign, the youth they must lose their mind. Police murder 7 one time, but is there place where I can find true love for life? Is there time where I can find true love that is divine? Is there place where I can find true love for life? Is there a place? Is there a time? I've been looking all of my life.
I don't like the way they fuss and fight. People, don't you think it's time you think it over? Cause this violence and crime is getting out of control. Look how many loved ones going down under. Don't you think that all these leaders should stop and consider? From the beginning when Cain killed Abel, what is happening today is written in the Bible. All the fussing and fighting and backbiting. From that day till today, mankind has been unstable. But beg you cool off the war. Tell me what you're fighting for.
how will you exist? I said to cool down the heat, trample the violence on the feet. We can come together and make our lives complete. Yeah. With all of the billions they spend on warfare, oh gosh, people are still suffering out there. Yes. What is really wrong with humankind? Don't you see it's time you put your fire there and some crime behind? But you cool down the war. Tell me what you're fighting for. If we go on like this, tell me how will we exist? Cool down the heat, trample the violence on the feet. We can come together and make our lives complete. Yeah, ceasefire. Tell me what you really require. Ceasefire. War is nothing but disaster. Ceasefire. Hungry used to need them supper. Ceasefire. Ceasefire. Yeah. Don't you think mankind should try to think it over? Yes. Cause this violence and crime is getting out of control. Look how many loved ones going down under. It's time that all you need.
There ain't no love in the city. They're treating the people without pity. No love in the country. All about the earth dying for mercy. Well, some of them down from them hat with them shoes and socks. War and crime, corruption, them a mingle up in a that. Big shot executive, but them higher that. The looting, executing have to stop. I tell them drop it, drop it. Big shot man, please stop the rocket. Boy, they want to put a padlock on your mouth. If you speak the truth, them flush you out. Influence the youth, them east, west, north and south. And then them tell the cops to shoot them out. There ain't no love in the city. They're treating the youth without a pity. No love in the country. That's why them say black man a monkey. La 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 la. Well, everyone want to have a SUV. Sell the coke and sell the crack and then they make the money. Criticize the ganja man, say he must sell drug. And when you take a sucker for them house the feds bug. Stop it, white collar executive, stop running the rocket. Boy, me a tell them drop it. Big Magnum, yes I them got it. Boy, enough of them a perpetrator for the crime. Yet them paying innocent every time. But if only you could see them when it comes to night time, you'd have seen them execution sign. Tell them to stop it. Corruption, yes, them to drop it. Boy, I tell them stop it. Big Magnum with them counting in them pocket. Boy, there ain't no love in the city. They're treating the people without pity. No love in the country. Jah, please have some mercy on the heathen. I beg you one of them. They want to put a padlock on your mouth. If you speak the truth, them flush you out. Influence the youth, them east, west, north and south. Then tell the policeman to shoot them out. Stop it, stop it. Them better stop run rocket. I'm gonna tell them drop it. Under the road boy alone them got it. I'm gonna say stop it. Tell them stop it. Please stop the fussing and the fighting. Said I'm talking to the water, to the heat. Oh yeah, still pouring, stop killing each other. Hey, stop the fussing and the fighting. Why can't humanity be clean? Still pouring, stop killing
each other. Listen, hey, take a firm meditation every day. I know the Almighty One will guide you all the way. Keep your heads up high, my brothers and sisters, and I know the Lord will guide you along the way. I say, listen, stop the fussing and the fighting. That I'm talking to the one to the east. For real, stop worrying, stop killing each other. Hey, I say, stop the fussing, stop the fighting. I'm talking to the one and to the east. Oh yeah, hey, stop worrying, stop killing each other. Oh, I know I'm just a man. Hey, anything I have, so anyone else can. Oh, but you gotta believe in what you're doing. Show love and joy, blessing will be a flowing. I say, stop the fussing and the fighting. Said I'm talking to the one and to the east. Oh yeah, stop worrying, stop killing each other. Oh yeah, stop the fussing and the fighting. And I'm talking to the one and to the east. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, you Mr. Politician, but check us up when they touch election. Oh yeah, you same one come short guns and bombs to the younger one. When the situation gets out of hand, I see you on my television. Say you know nothing about that division. Oh yeah, still the fussing and the fighting. Talking to the one into the east. Oh yeah, I say, still pouring, stop killing. Said I'm talking to the one into the west. Hey, take a firm meditation every day. And I know the Almighty King will guide you along the way. Keep your head above the waters. And I know the Almighty know He blessing will follow. I say, still fussing, stop fighting.
Yo, well, He shall bless me by His strength. Yo, protect I with days of length. Yo, and guide us from all this pestilence and all this evil and corruption. We say and be violent. Yo, stay far from them. Cause we know I know war from them. Yo, stay far from them. Cause we know I know war from them. Yo, stay far from them. Never want to move on them. Yo, stay far from them. From them. From them. So me say simple out there. Man, I was sitting with the triple mode. We are come out and a little out there. Do not make the vision I lick you out there. Cause me some man know we come pick you out there. Do not make them kill you and trick you out there. I'm killing all the penny pan the nipple out there. Kill you for your diamond and nickel out there. Yo, see that? Me tell them say me tired of the senseless killing. Babylon tell me them we kill for a shilling. Babylon kill and talk about them willing. Kill over the island so them love when it's spilling. Kill over the earth and so them love to the drilling. For them suicide ride and dally and drilling. Too much broke down a full time them start drilling. Hey, tell me that you never get. So the search people out there. Man a boss is in with the triple mode. We a come out and a little out there. Do not make them miss a while little out there. Cause this a man know we come pick you out there. Do not make them kill you and trick you out there. I'm killing all the penny pan the nipple out there. Yo, let me sit down and chop. I will be burning this fire, and I will never cease or stop. I will be blazing this fire, red hot. I will be burning this fire, and I will never cease nor stop. I will be burning this fire. Chop! Stay far from them, cause we know I know far from them. Don't stay far from them, cause we know I know far far from them. Yo, stay far from them. Them want to boom from them. Yo, stay far from them. From them. From them. Cause everywhere me go I be a bullet. Every other day them want bullet. Innocent face them a full it. Them all gun to play Russian roulette. Bombs and bullet, me say that them full up. Every other day I with them want come pull up. So me say the youth them come need fi full up. So what happened to Israel and Hezbollah? Me say simple out there. Man a boss is in now with the triple mode. We a come out and a little out there. Do not make the vision and lick you out there. Cause me say man now we come pick you out there. Do not make them kill you and trick you out there. And killing a lip in the pan the nipple out there. Kill your fear die man and lick you out there. Yo, see that? God protect us from the foe. You lead the way and I follow. The ways of the pagan lights low. Why the fighters gotta know? So me say simple out there. Man a buzz is in the with the triple mode there. We a come out and a little out there. Do not make the vision and lick you out there. Come some man now we come pick you out there. Do not make them kill you and trick you out there. And killing a lip in the pan the nipple out there. Kill your fear die man and lick you out there. Yo, see that stay far from them. Yo, stay far from them. Righteousness in all the nations. Sin is a reproach any man or any people. Yo, guys, I love you. Let me tell you something. I live a time, same time. Now give up my eye. Things had to rearrange when I came to town. Couldn't turn it in a shooting range when I came to town. Babylon were acting strange when I came to town. Have to burn these fires and flame when I came to town. Cause when I came to town, I came here on a mission. I came to burn out all the wicked politicians. Make them know straight says a time bomb them sit on. I figure above ill through my intuition. Yo again, line lips is abomination. Them use politics for dividing nation. I feel all a meditation chant for liberation and salvation. Yo again, make them know education is the key. Babylon I sell out the ghetto youths them free. But tell them in no love or them a pre. But find out enough of them a fake, enough of them unfree. Wow, we no business if them won't reach 33. We no business if them won't reach the highest degree. Rastafari is the ultimate team. More sanity, solidarity, alright. Things had to rearrange when I came to town. This place was a shooting range when I came to town. Babylon were acting strange when I came to town. Couldn't put the youth on no shooting range when I came to town. Yo again, them used to say Rasta anti-social. Them even fight against Bob Marley vocal. But Fireman had done the whole of them total. And burn out all the leaders, them were so call. Yo, past promises how with them couldn't navigate. Rastafari works, the youth them have to agitate. To consciousness, they get to youth them gravitate. And your King Selassie, I straight, some me say again. Rastafari no wall and bone. And I can tell them say we burn skull and bone. Yo, yes, Selassie, I him go on the throne. Now walking enough of them zone anyway. Rastafari speak the truth. Why Babylon try to violate the youth? I go on like them smart and I go on like them cute. But Mama Earth, she defend the roots. I'm say again, I live up time. Now give up mine. Live up time. Now give up mine. Shine. Now on your name. Things had to rearrange when I came to town. Them couldn't turn it in a shooting range when I came to town. Babylon were acting strange when I came to town. Them couldn't put the youths them on the range when I came to town. Cause when I came to town, King Shan go bring the fire. And your King Selassie tell the youths them no retire. Go and hold your faith and go and say your prayer. Burn Babylon and they go burn them and I are alright again. Every day the people cry, wow. And then the youths die, wow. And then the mother fry, the members speak the truth, them on the line. You again, who them a try to captivate? Them a try to use the Illuminati to lock the place. Yo again, some burn them illusion, burn confusion and disillusion, yeah. It's a cleaner and a pure enough. It's a cleaner, shall we see you back?
The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom and overstanding. Let's heed to the call. Come one and all. Let's humble ourselves and serve Him, so that Mother Earth rejoice again and rid our hearts of the sorrows and pain. Let the people rejoice and call on Your name, so the land can heal again. When the people unite and call on Your name, then the love of God will reign, and the blessings of life will surely increase. Whenever there is love and peace, there'd be no need, there'd be no greed, 'cause together we will all achieve. With one goal in mind, we're sure to find a global peace of mind. Then all war will cease, from west unto east, and that is my belief. When the people rejoice and call on Your name, then the land will heal again. When the people unite and call on Your name, then the love of God will reign. There's one solution to this confusion. Let's open our eyes and we realize only divine intervention by the God of creation can save our lives, that we may survive. And we must work together to achieve. And once we believe, then we will receive. And there is salvation for everyone. Let the people rejoice and call on Your name, then the land will heal again. When the people unite and call on Your name, then the love of God will reign. When the people rejoice and call on Your name, Mother Earth will heal again. When the people unite and call on Your name, then the love of God will reign. God will reign. In our hearts and in our faith will reign. Yes. There'll be no need. There'll be no more grief. No more sorrow. No more pain.
Snap and laugh. You know, you better make it safe for each other, for the children to follow. Have you no sister? Have you no brother? Yeah. Don't go around hurting one another.
children.
No war, no catastrophe. Don't destroy people and their property. Power comes with responsibility. Do what you're doing and do it properly. Cause Jah got a blessing for you. For your children and their children too. That's what I said. Rastafari got his blessing for you. For your children and their children too. Shall never fail it. No way. In all his doings he prevaileth. Black star line a sailing. Heaven and earth, all things are created. Cause Jah got a blessing for you. All your children and your children too. Rastafari have all blessings for you. All your children and their children too. Oh, Jah said we should leave us one. Praise King Selassie, all you nations. Our life and the creation. Oh, can't you see it's love and salvation, repatriation? Cause Jah got all blessings for you. For your children and their children too. For us, Selassie, I have all his blessings for you. For your children and your children too. Keep the same for each other. That's what I say. For our children. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Most I Jah a mighty fortress. Every ghetto youth out the fullness. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Most I Selassie mighty fortress. Every ghetto youth out the fullness. Make the music matter why I'm a youth. Hail Rastafari get glad I'm a youth. If you worship the devil your life sad I'm a youth. And I your mother and your father I'm a youth. Crack and cocaine I eat a mother of the youth. Politicians come and backstab all the youths. Babylon them come and bother all the youths. Now you focus on the big picture I'm a youth. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Most I Jah's a mighty fortress. Every ghetto youth possess the fullness. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Most I Jah's a mighty fortress. Every ghetto youth know the fullness. Microchip come in for control them now. Politicians only come for hold them down. Devil a seek the people soul them now. The powers of Selassie overthrow them now. God bless you from the day you were born. No matter how the wicked man are gone. Now watch the wicked works them up profound. No matter how you see society come and scan them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. King Selassie I your mighty fortress. Every ghetto youth know the fullness. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Emperor Selassie mighty fortress. Every ghetto youth know the fullness. Thought we couldn't make it, but look at us now. We come for take it any means anyhow. None for them a fake it, none for them a go. Them separate it and no ganga bow. Stop fighting the iris of the youth. Righteousness lead the youth. Don't make no gimmicks of the youth. Don't this. Get a youth up into one's progress. Most High Jah Almighty fortress. Every get a youth know the fullness. Them better know this. Get the youths a step towards progress. Most High Jah is Almighty fortress. It's the fullness. Welcome children, and see what's happening around you.
Oh, no. Break free and break free and break free. Free. Whoa, yeah. Break free from mental slavery. They divide, disorganized, and left us all in poverty. Break free from pain and agony. If we decide that we go fight, then we shall gain the victory. Hey, wow, for so long it's been the same world. World leaders still a play the mind game. You think a little bit of pain will feel for break the chain, while oppression at the poor still remain. But we got to rise and get rebellious, not follow what them telling us, cause what them teach us lead to brain drain. The people been suffering every day, yet no one seems to feel the pain. Break free from mental slavery. They divide, disorganized, and left us all in poverty. Break free from pain and agony. If we decide that we gon' fight, then we shall gain the victory. The violence got broke out like a sore. Every cribbits and the corners in the streets collabore. In them suit of destruction, not kick down with door. Invading all the rights of the poor. See to face a lot of animosities. Experience atrocities, still can't find the necessities. The smoke will clear, I can bet it is. We'll turn the negative to positive. Break free from mental slavery. They divide, disorganized, and left us all in poverty. Break free from pain and agony. If we decide that we gon' fight, then we shall gain a victory. Bam, it's not pretty, very sticky. People suffering a yard. If not for the youths to end up in a jail cell, they know them find a spot a man. Do you have your tech, they have not food, and yet I feed it to the dog. Every Sunday in
and there's no secret of the omnipotent one. This is what you should know. According to your works, you will get your pay. Certainly comes what may. Judgment is a must and it not ease up, even though sometime it delay. The moon and the stars run things at night, and you know the sun solar by day. And before one of this world pass, heaven and earth shall pass away. When Jareh, everything I got tumble down to the ground. When Jareh, don't confess, knee shall bow down. When Jareh, lightning wipe them out. When Jareh, victory winning in the children mouth. Miss yo, society supports darkness. Miss yo, they move away from righteousness. Miss yo, some people do them best in everything, give it them all and still not get justice. I see why them always a push wickedness. I just choose some people a benefit, but you fit dig too anytime you dig a pit. Cause consequences you can't escape it. When Jareh, soldiers will come out. When Jareh, storm will blow them out. When Jareh, earthquake will break them out.
I know there's a place for each and everyone. Look how hard we suffer down here on the rock. We just can't survive. We just wanna stay alive. I guess the rain doesn't fall for me and you. What can we do to make love come true?
See my brothers and sisters, they need help. Do the best you can and you'll be better in life. Oh, Heavenly Father, can't you see what we're going through? My brothers, destroying you will succeed. Long time we await. Long time we are penetrate. Long time them are legislate.
Let her die. Every morning I wake, only one song I sing. Give praises to the King. He opens the doors and he shows me the way. His blessings flow within. His mercies I feel everlasting grace. Put a smile upon my face. Don't care what the wicked might do or say. Can lead I and I astray. Jah is my everything. Oh, what a joy he brings. And that's why I sing praises to the King. Yeah. Let her die. Let her die. Oh, yeah. Let her die. Let her die. Every morning I wake, only one song I sing. Give praises to the King. He opens the doors and he shows me the way. His blessings flow within. Jah is everywhere, and I know he cares, so I'll have no fear. To his name I swing. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
I said the world needs love, that the world needs peace and unity. Whoa, more love, no hatred, no grief. Peace and unity. And you know see the youth now on the met. Pure dirty work them a do. And every day I say another youth dead. Watch them in the corner screw. Me want you show some love, and make this world a better place. Give me some love, me want to see some more smiling face. Because the world needs love, that's what the world needs. Peace and unity. Whoa, more love, no hate, no grief. Peace and unity, yeah. You know see up your wonders and signs. We living in a desolate time. Why? Now is the time for us to combine. Hands are not together to shine. Me want see some peace. Me want to have a contented mind. Yeah. Someone from north, south, west and east. Straight to the top we a climb. Cause we need more love, that's what the world need. Peace and unity. Whoa, more love, no hatred, no grief. Peace and unity. I say we need more love, that's what the world needs. Peace and unity. Whoa, more love, no hatred, no grief. Peace and unity.
Watch out. Me ball. Them not like me, I mean I like them. Them are me enemy, me and them no friend. Them not like me, I mean I like them. Them are my enemy, me and them nothing. Me come again. Really good from the game man, them me come again. Really good from the informer, them me come again. Really good from the backbiter, them me come again. Really good from the sodomite, them me come again. They gonna lick out from the game man, them me come really good. From the game man, them. Cause I one thing me no say them no want no girlfriend, me come really good. When they obey man, them cause them a work too much obey for people, children, me come really good. When they informer, them a do too much informing and a cause problem, me come really good. When they backbite them a do too much backbiting and a cause problem, me ball. Them no like me and me no like them. Them a me enemy, me and them no friends. Them no like me and me no like them. Them a me enemy, me and them no friend. Go tell a friend. The cable come for run things again. Go tell a friend. Now go run it 24/7. Go tell a friend. Me not give no game man friend. Go tell a friend. Me not give no sodomite friend. Go tell a friend. Me don't want no backbiter friend. Go tell a friend. Then me don't want no informer friend. That's why them no like me and me entertainment. Go tell the world me come for run things again. Tell the whole of them obey the 10 commandments. That's why you know your days me a full of length. Capleton him there, me a go run things again. Some DJ want to test me, but I go cross problem. Me a go angle me mic and angle body and angle code for them. I go tell the whole of them, me a go give them problem. That's why them no like me, I me no like them. Them are my enemy, me and them no. You bad mindy. Me say why you grudge me, you grudge fully. And me say why you grudge me, you bad mindy. And why you a envy me, you grudge fully. Say why you a grudge me ball. Them no like me, I me no like them. Them are my enemy, me and them no friend. They come again. Me lick out on the sodomite, them me come again. And me a go lick up on the gear man, them me a go lick out. On the gear man, them because of one thing, me know they no want no girlfriend. Me a go lick out. On the sodomite, them cause of one thing, me know them no want no man friend. Me a go lick out. On the woman man, them but them a walk too much of their people children. Me a go big up. All of the teacher them because of them help educate all the children. Me a go big up. All of the doctor them because of them help take care of the patient. But them no like me, and me no like them. Them are my enemy, me and them no friend. Them no like me, and me no like them. Them are my enemy, me and them no friend. No tell a friend. Take people come for run things again. Go tell a friend. They go run it 24/7. Go tell a friend. Then the junglist, them a big friend. Go tell a friend. Then the TG crew a big friend. Go tell a friend. Then the New York crew a big friend. Go tell a friend. Then the Toronto crew a big friend.